When you're ready to get started, use getElementById method to get the input element with the ID number input and store it in a variable called number input. So you first write down constant and then let a number input variable be declared and has been assigned to, if it says get element by ID, so that means we use get, I mean use document and then chain it with the method called get element by ID. That is to get the ID of the element, and which is the ID is called number input. Okay, and then use the same method to get the button element with the ID convert button and store it in a variable called convert button. Okay, we have to first write down constant and then declare a variable called convert btn, and then assign it the value, is equal to document that get element by ID, and then call it call the button element, which is called what? Oh, I mean call the ID of the button element, which is called convert dash btn, and we're done with the second one. And it says and the h2 element with the ID result. So just like the same, just like the others, we copy the format, which is equal to document that get element by ID, and then the ID of the element, which is result. We have to fix this, otherwise JavaScript won't read it. Get element by ID, and I think we're done. We're not done. You should use convert. Oh, since we have to use that one because it's an ID. What? Excuse me. Convert. I did. Document get element by ID. Perhaps we have to use a single quote. Oh. What's wrong with this one? What's wrong with you, man? Let me just copy this. Oh, it still does not work. Still does not work. Convert document that get element by. Oh my gosh, it's done.